National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coal Mountain, or near Cumming, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cumming, Mack, Silver City, Chastity, Oscarville, Coal Mountain, and High Tower. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.